Welcome to the Chimera Lantern assembly video. You may also know this as a Chimera Pancake. First, we're going to take our diffusion and put it off to the side for now. Next, we're going to have our speed ring and our rods in one hand and our ribs in the other hand. Now, with our ribs in order so that they're not crossing over each other, we're going to run our hand out to the end. Then we're going to take our rods and insert the ribs. All right, now that the rods are installed onto the ribs, we're going to make sure that our ribs are once again not crossing over, and then install them onto the speed ring. Now in today's video, we're going to be using the Bowens mount speed ring for the aperture. Now you might be used to installing ribs on a speed ring for a softbox or an octobank, and you do a cross pattern for that. Now with the lantern, I like to do a circular pattern on this particular setup. Now with our ribs in order, I can just go around in an even pattern, placing each of the 4 ribs equally spaced apart. Now on this speed ring, we have numbering and lettering for the different holes that are along the side of the speed ring. Today we're going to use A and 1. So we've got A here, another A on the opposite side, 1 here, and another 1 on the other side. Now that we've chosen the holes that we're going to use on the speed ring, we can now go in a circular pattern, inserting each of the ribs. There we go. We have evenly spaced ribs mounted on our Bowens speed ring. Now we can move on to the diffusion. Okay, with our diffusion in hand, we're going to take each of the ribs and insert it into one corner of the diffusion. Now I'm going to turn so that you can see each rib goes into a corner. Just 2, 3, and 4. Now I recommend leaving the zippers unzipped until you mount it to the light. We have our Bowens mount aperture series light here. Going to insert the 3 pegs and rotate it until it locks into place. Now we can zip up our 4 zippers. There we go. That's our Chimera lantern, also known as a Chimera Pancake. Now this also comes with a skirt that you can Velcro to the outside, and it can be rolled up on each of the 4 sides. So let me go ahead and show you how to install the skirt. Now the skirt has 4 zippers on each of the corners. I typically like to just undo one of the zippers and then start by Velcroing it halfway up the black Velcro. See the Velcro right here? There's a loop side here and a hook side here. I do it halfway up the black, and it's just because that's where I like to do it. So around to the next one. Zip up that zipper. There we go. The skirt is installed. Now, if you need to, you can take one side, unzip it, and roll it up. There we go. Now you have the ability to have light casting on a background and then straight down for like a hair light interview style or portrait. And that's how you assemble the Chimera lantern, also known as the Chimera Pancake. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to let me know down in the comments. Subscribe for more how-to videos, grip tips, and assisting 101. I'm Sean with Pro Gear TV. Thanks for watching.